morning, guys. Tonight we're going to draw Iguanodon. One of the legendary beasts from Walking with Dinosaurs. There have been reports about Iguanodon and how defensive they were. Well, they traveled in herds. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's These giants, they protect themselves with a large thumb spike. If the enemy gets too close, then wham! It shreds its enemy away using its thumb spike. It uses the thumb spike to shred its enemy away. But mostly, they use it to defend themselves. Let's see if I can find out more about this legendary beast. Onto the Cretaceous. Here we go. Herbivore with a thumb spike. Their fossil finds were in Europe, Asia, and North America. Their height is 33 feet long. Let's see. It was the second dinosaur to be identified by science. Alexa, what is Iguanodon?
Iguanodon, named in 1825, is a genus of iguanodontian dinosaur. While many species have been classified in the genus Iguanodon, dating from the late Jurassic Period to the early Cretaceous Period of Asia, Europe, and North America, taxonomic revision in the early 21st century has defined Iguanodon to be based on one well-substantiated species, bernissartensis, which lived during the Barremian age in Belgium, Germany, England, Spain, and possibly elsewhere in Europe. Between about 126 and 122 million years ago. Things we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on.
There we go. That is how you draw Iguanodon. There he is. That's how you draw Iguanodon. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Okay then, that's all for now. That's how you draw Iguanodon. Back then, its thumb spike was thought to be a horn. They even created a model of it. Wacky, right? But to be honest, I prefer this one better. You can draw any dinosaur you please. That's all for now, everyone. Stegosaur, see you later!